Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Amanda with Healthy Glow, and today I wanted to show you guys the new Jane Iredale Lip Kits, and I'm gonna do my favorite one for you. It is the Berry Fierce Kit. This comes with 3 items. So you have a lip pencil, which comes in the color Spice. It's a really good nude, has a little bit of like a brownish color to it, but a perfect nude. And then it has the Very Berry PureGloss lip gloss. Again, I've talked about these before. These lip glosses are amazing. They are non-sticky. They smell kind of like lemonade, really fresh. They stay on for a really long time. And again, not sticky is like the main point. The last thing is the lipstick, and this is the Triple Luxe Long Lasting Lipstick. It is in the shade Joanna. These lipsticks are kind of like a matte finish, but creamy at the same time, so they're not super drying. Really love these. So I will show you guys, you can create a couple different looks with it. You can do the lip liner by itself, you can add a lipstick to it, and the gloss. So they all can be worn alone, or you can pair them differently. So I have something else on right now that I'm gonna take off with these Obagi cleansing wipes. And if you don't have these are so great to keep on the go with you. They're great for the gym, seriously anything. I keep them by my nightstand just in case I put my kids to bed and I just lay down on the bed and don't get to my sink. These are great. So they kind of have a not rough, but a little bit of a texture to them to help get everything off. I have a stain on, comes off super easily with these. So these are really great. Anyways, let's get to the lip stuff. Oh, and the kit, the pricing. All 3 items is $60. It is a $78 value, so really awesome. Gift it, keep it for yourself, keep an item that you really like and give the other ones to someone. There are a bunch of different things you can do. So I will start with the lip liner. I'll show you on my hand what it looks like, because it looks different on everybody. So there is the color on my hand. It's a nice like soft nude, a little bit of a brown color to it. And I'm going to just line my lip. So it doesn't make a huge difference on my lips, but it does add a little bit of shadowing, which I like to do because it kind of gives like your lips the appearance that they're a little bit bigger, especially if you keep it right here. That instantly, that shadow makes that lip look bigger. I like to do the Cupid's bow. You can follow yours, but sometimes I like to just kind of connect it. Again, it kind of gives the appearance of fuller lips. So I could fill my lips in with this and just wear it that way, but I'm going to add the lipstick in. I like to take this and do a line in the middle, kind of like right here and right here. This again gives the illusion of more full lips. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the lipstick. Oops, I dropped it. Again, this is shade Joanna. Has a nice, pretty bottle that it's in. It's really smooth. So I'm just gonna take it lightly. I love this color. It appears, I've seen or heard people say that it looks like it's gonna be super bright, but it's a really good shade. It's not too much, for me at least. In this picture, it looks like you're gonna get these like bright purple lips, and that's why I wanted to show that in person, it's really not that bright. It's a really great everyday color. If lipstick isn't something you wear every day and it's for a special occasion, this is perfect because it's not like a vibrant, too much color if you're really not used to it. So this is a really good everyday color. Really creamy again. I could have this on for most of the day. Obviously eating and drinking is gonna make it come off a little bit, but this really does last. So see how it's not super shiny? It does give a matte-like finish, but creamy on your lips. Now I'm gonna add the lip gloss. This is in Very Berry. So this is another one that looks like it's gonna be super purple. When you put it on, I don't think it looks too purple, so. It's really, really smooth. So see, not too much, really pretty. You could wear this alone and it won't be, it won't have this like solid of a color. It just looks like that because I have the lipstick on underneath. The lip gloss alone does give you color, but it has more of a sheer hue to it. So it's not like a solid color. So again, that is the Jane Iredale Special Edition Lip Kit. These are great for Valentine's Day gifts or a gift for yourself. I will link the product below. There are 2 other shades. One is it's called Red Hot, and it's all of like the red colors. It's beautiful. And then there's one called, gosh, I can't think of it. It's a pink, so it's a pink color. It's like Pink Smooch. So I will, again, I'll link all of those, and this one is the Berry Fierce.